Mother Nature's alarm clock is going off and it's time to wake up your lawn. So Sean, what can homeowners do to get their lawns back in shape?
Well, this early in the year, as you can see, the lawns are brown. And the one thing you need to do is grab a rake, a light rake, and go ahead and rake it just lightly to bring that up. And when you do that, that's going to get air circulation down there so it will take off. Then the next thing you kind of want to do is you want to get your mower. You want to make sure that mower has a sharp blade, and you want to go ahead and mow it around 2.5 to 2.25 inches with a bagger on it, and you want to kind of clean that lawn up with a nice mowing. Why do you want to bag it? Well, the bagging will just kind of get all the debris up.
Sure.
And most of the stuff there now isn't very good for the turf.
Okay.
The other reason you want to mow short right now is that, and rake it, is that sunlight can get down to the root system and get down to the soil, and it will warm it up. And once it gets a little warmer, the green will come. But
we all like the green.
Oh, absolutely. So you little raking, mow it low, and then you want to go ahead and sometime in the near future, go ahead and fertilize that lawn, and then a nice watering, and you'd be amazed a couple weeks later, voila, it should be nice and green for you.
So tell us a little bit about then the A+ spray system.
Yeah, we have a unique system. We do a granular and a liquid application at the same time.
Okay.
It's very, very precise. It's a machine type. It's not where we're walking and pushing a spreader or walking and spraying by our hands. You know, those aren't, some people walk faster and, you know, some people swing it a little more. This is more of a machine where it's very, very precise. When you get to the end, it adjusts on the turn. And so it's a combination of liquid and a granular, and it works really, really well.
And after you put it on, can people step on the yards then after that?
Yeah, you know, we recommend let it dry,
sure.
Which takes 10 to 20 minutes, but right after that, it's fine, you know.
Well, I know that people get competitive with their yards. You know, I want to have the nicest yard in the neighborhood, and I think other people do too. So if people want to get a hold of you, what's the best way to reach A+?
You know, just call our office at 289-2020, or go on our web and ask for an estimate, and we'll come out right away and do a lawn analysis. You know, we do a soil test for you for free.
Perfect.
Because everyone wants the nicest lawn, but there's a lot of things, you know, the mower sharp, the soil has the right amendments, this type of grass and all those things. So it's a combination. It's just not doing the fertilization.
Everything adds up to get that green color, doesn't it?
You bet, you bet.
Well, I'll help you rake.
Thank you.
Yeah.